How to share Netflix account with friends. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can share Netflix account with friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Sharing Netflix account with friends is not possible without sharing your email and password. So if you want to share your Netflix account with a friend, you have to give them the email and password. You can't say, unlike Spotify where you can add people to your plan with just their email address, that's not how it works. You need to give them the email and the password to which you use and signed up Netflix for. One thing that you can however do is you can create up to 5 separate profiles, so you can share them up to 5 friends, and each of those 5 friends can watch from their very own profile, so they don't have to interfere with someone else's profile. They can simply create their own profile and then just log in with their using their own profile pin over here. If they want to lock it, then they will be able to use it, but as I said, you have to give them the email and password and create a separate profiles if you'd like. So this way you can share your Netflix account with friends. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.